Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Eli. I don't know if you heard of this water bottle, but it's by Simple Modern, and today we're going to go ahead and unbox and review it. So here I have the Simple Modern, kind of like a hydro flask. I have the Ombre Moonlight. I got the 24 ounce. As you can see, it has a sweat-free design, double wall vacuum insulated, 100% stainless steel, and then 10% of whatever you purchase from this, it gets given away for charities and stuff. It's BPA free, which is very good. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this real quick. I like this nice box, pretty good. Some of them come with a nice bag. Mine did not come with a nice bag. It came in this bubble wrap, but that's okay. So here is mine. It is a Moonlight Ombre. You have a nice Simple Modern logo on the bottom, silver, and then on the top you have some brushed aluminum, and all of this is stainless steel. Like I said, I have the 24 ounce, and this is the little handle. It's rubber and plastic. So there it is. It has a nice lip of brushed aluminum, like I said. And in here we have some paperwork inside the bottle. So right here you see just for you, and then it has 10% off, and then this one just a business card and some warnings. And then in the rest of it, there's something else in here. You get it real quick. Hold on. This is the last thing that was in there, is a little pamphlet. It's pretty cool. So that's everything in the box, in the bottle, which is very nice. So 24 ounce, I believe they have up to like 36 or a 40 ounce water bottle, which is really good. This is a nice size. It's very slim, sleek, very nice design. I really like it. I was gonna either buy one of these or a hydro flask, but I ended up buying one of these because number one, it was cheaper, it looks nicer, and it's slimmer, and it looks nicer in my opinion. So I bought this one. It's not a sponsored video, or they didn't send it out for review. I just wanted to make a video of this. So yeah, it's a very nice water bottle, like the metal. It keeps every drink really cool. We actually own a hydro flask, so I can compare them in a future video if you guys would like. Leave a comment down below if you'd like to see that, if it's better than a hydro flask. This one should last about, I think it was like 22 hours or longer for cold beverages, and then 18 for hot beverages. I have to relook up the information, but anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please do like the video, subscribe if you're new around here, because it only takes 5 seconds to do so, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.